So is the perimeter of isosceles triangle Q less than the perimeter of square R? Here you go, Q and R. And just remember, perimeter is the sum of the sides of the figure, however many there are. Statement 1 tells us that the ratio of the base of Q to each of the other two sides is 1 to 2. So if this, we'll just call this base Q, that's 1, then this is 2Q, and this is also 2Q. The perimeter will then equal 5Q. And that same statement also says the ratio of the base to Q to the side of R is 3 to 4. So if we know, for example, that Q to R equals 3/4, then we also know that R equals 4/3 Q. So one of these sides is 4/3 Q, and 4 times that, so 4 times 4/3 Q equals this perimeter. And 4 times 4/3 equals 16/3 Q. And this is 5 1/3 Q's. So clearly, the perimeter of isosceles triangle Q is less than the perimeter of square R. This is 5Q, and this is 5 1/3 Q for the perimeter. So statement 1 is sufficient to tell us yes. It's not B on its own, nor is it in either of these insufficient answer choices. Statement 2 tells us that the sum of the two sides of R and the base of Q equals 33. So this is an entirely different type of set of information. The first one provided comprehensive ratios for the perimeters of everything, whereas Statement 2 gives us half the perimeter of R and the base of Q, and they equal 33, and we don't have any idea how to distribute those 33 units. Whether half of it is R and half of it is Q, whether most of it is R and some of it is Q. So we have no way of determining the relationship between the perimeters of the two figures. We can cross off answer choice D and circle or select answer choice A.